Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable the map preview provider in Telegram. If you prefer not to have map previews displayed in your secret chats, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access the settings related to your account's privacy. Step 4. Within the settings, look for the Secret Chats section and tap on Map Preview Provider. Step 5. In the Map Preview Provider settings, select No Previews. This will disable the map previews in your secret chats. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the map preview provider in Telegram, providing you with more privacy and control over the content displayed in your secret chats. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to disable the map preview provider in Telegram. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the enhanced privacy and customization options in your Telegram secret chats.